Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily change your router name on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we need to do in order for this is click on the Wi-Fi and make sure that you are currently connected to your network or your internet. If you have an Ethernet, then that is also fine. So make sure that you are currently connected to your network, and after that, you want to go into your start menu, and from here you want to type in secpol.msc, just like this one, and you want to click on this one right here or hit enter right there, and you would be able to open the local security policy. And then from here you want to go open the network list manager policies, and you want to select the network that you want to modify. So in my case it will be this one, and now want to right click on it and head over to properties, click on properties and go into name right here, and you want to modify whatever name you want. So in my case, maybe I want it to be K, and after that you want to go into click on apply, and then click apply and then OK. And after that you want to go into network and sharing center, and you can see that the router has been changed, its name. So network right here, go into network status right here in system settings, and then from here click on network and sharing center, click on it right here, and you can see that the name is now KKK instead of just K right here, and that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.